Next clip, downhill. Maybe there'll be less traffic. So today's test wasn't a complete failure, but as you can see, it was very bouncy. Even the Fusion's fantastic stabilization wasn't enough. Now I know that if I use a shorter stick angled up a little higher, it looks perfect. But I really wanted to make this work because I love that front view. You know, granted, how much of it will I use it? Probably like maybe 5 seconds in a video, you know, just to change the angle. But what you can really appreciate here is that all of this is shot with one camera. I just used the clip multiple times, changing orientation. So when you have a 360 camera, you can do a wonderful little vlog and don't worry about missing a thing because it's pointed everywhere. So you handle all that in post later on. I'm not going to be too depressed about this. I know that in time I'll learn something from this and I'll work it out. But for now, this is how it went. Thanks for watching.